We are currently reporting from the civil lines area where now we are going to show you that how the big vehicles which were parked here are now submerged in water. These are the visuals which we are showing you from outside one of the Swami Narayan Mandir in the capital city. This is the civil lines area where you can see that even the Creta, Baleno and the Honda City car, they are completely submerged in water. And because of losing their vehicles, the owners of the vehicle, they are also sitting inside the car. Some of them are using their wiper. This is the situation when there is no rainfall in the capital city for last 48 hours. This is the flood-like situation in parts of the city where the water from the river Yamuna is now started entering in at few places in the capital city, and now because of the same you can see that this is the situation of the national capital Delhi. In fact, the commuters as well, because today is Thursday, many of the people are moving towards the site of the offices as well, so they are facing the trouble, and many of the routes have also been diverted by the Delhi police. But this is the situation, this is the condition of the national capital Delhi, and limited options are available with the concerned department and the government as well. But at the same time, there is crucial meeting of the government which is going to start after a while, where the steps will be decided as to what action need to be taken by the concerned department on the ground zero to make people move smoothly from a point to another. But also you can see that this is another side of the road where the commuter are forced to move slowly because they have no other option. And this is just one part of the capital city. There are other parts as well, be it East Delhi or the low-lying areas outside the Nigam Bodh Ghat or the ITO for that matter. They are completely filled with water. So gradually we are seeing that the water level of river Yamuna is continuously rising, and this is not going to end anytime soon in the capital city. Now we are going to show you the another side of the civil lines area where the water has started entering inside the residential premises as well. This is the picture which we are going to show you on the screen of the CNN News 18, where you can see that the shoulder level is what we can say is something which is seen at this particular place. In fact, the water has entered inside this particular residence. In fact, the vehicle as well which has been parked is submerged in water. Fortuner is what we can see. There are other people as well who are part of this particular locality. They are facing the trouble. Nobody is in fact able to move beyond a particular point. On the left hand side you can see that there is owner of a particular shop who is forced, because there is water inside his shop which has come overnight, so he is forced to remove all the item, all the belongings of his shop outside the safest place available, which is very limited place. We are also joined by one of the person who has his office at this particular place. I would urge my camera person to take the voice of this particular gentleman. Sir, ये सिविल लाइन इलाका है, आपका यहाँ पे घर है, ऑफिस है या क्या?
ऑफिस है।
अच्छा, किस चीज का ऑफिस है?
केबल इंटरनेट।
अच्छा,
हाँ जी।
कब से पानी यहाँ पे घुसा है?
ये सुबह 5 बजे।
सुबह 5 बजे।
5 बजे से लेके भरना चालू हुआ और पूरा भर गया।
अंदर लाइट आ रही है, क्या स्थिति अगर आप बता?
सर अभी काट दी लाइट। अभी काट दी लाइट।
कितना अंदर, क्या घरों में?
नहीं, यहाँ तक भर गया सर।
घर के अंदर भी गया?
घर के अंदर भी गया। गाड़ियाँ डूब गई हैं, जितनी गाड़ियाँ देख रहे हो सारी डूब गई हैं।
बिना लाइट के, बिना बेसिक सुविधाओं की, क्योंकि आ भी नहीं सकती यहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ, कैसे सरवाइव करेंगे आप?
सर देखिए, अब तो हमारा जो नुकसान हुआ वो तो हुआ है, क्योंकि हमारी वोल्टी सब डाउन हो गए, इन्वर्टर, बैटरियाँ सब डूब गई हैं। अब जब तक ये पानी खत्म नहीं होगा, जब तक क्या करेंगे? निकालेंगे, नए लाएंगे सारा कुछ।
आपको लगता है ये स्थिति जो है अभी दिल्ली में वो जल्द से जल्द सॉल्व होती हुई आपको दिखाई पड़ रही है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ तो हर साल मतलब पानी थोड़ा सा आता है और ये भर जाता है।
और ये तो तब स्थिति है जब दिल्ली में पिछले 24-48 घंटों में कोई खास बारिश
ही नहीं हुई है। ये पीछे से पानी छोड़ा गया, ये पानी यहाँ पीछे का आया हुआ, यहाँ भर गया।
कोई ऑप्शन है? मुझे पता है कि आप लोग बड़ी परेशान स्थिति में, क्या करेंगे ऐसे में?
कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, ये तो कह रहा हूँ ना, हर साल की हमें दिक्कत है, हर साल। भाई ये लगा लो कि इस बार कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया, ये तो पानी तो हमारे ऑफिस में घुसता ही है, हमें हर साल का नुकसान भरना ही पड़ता है। हर साल जितनी बारिश होती है यहाँ पानी, थोड़ी सी बारिश होगी पानी भर जाता है यहाँ।
डर किस चीज का और ज्यादा है? क्योंकि हालांकि लाइट आपने बताया कि काट दी गई है, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन हो सकता है, आपके फोन वगैरह चार्जेस भी नहीं
है? फोन भी है हमारे, सब कुछ है। अब अंदर अब सारा हमारा सिस्टम है, वो सारा हाई करंट पे, मतलब जितना भी सामान है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सामान है सारा। सारा खराब, बिल्कुल डेड हो गया। नाना करते हमारा नुकसान हुआ है करीब 4 से 5 लाख रुपए का।
चलिए, बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। अपना ध्यान भी रखिए, आप भी रिस्क पे हैं। सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ रिस्क विच इज बीइंग टेकन, विच इज बीइंग ऑब्जर्व एंड एक्सपीरियंस बाय द पीपल हु आर a resident of this particular locality. On other side of the road, we are also going to show you that the traffic congestion has also started at this particular place, because there is limited space available with the commuters who have to go through or reach out to a particular location. And the same is the condition at other parts of the capital city as well, where the people are forced to experience this kind of situation.